IMAGEN 4 in Google Workspace is insane. Google put their AI image maker right inside Google Docs, videos, and slides. You can make studio quality images by typing what you want. No design skills needed, no extra tools needed. This is going to change everything. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how IMAGEN 4 works inside Google Workspace and why this is such a big deal. Most people have no idea this exists. They're still using Photoshop or paying for stock images, but Google built this right into the tools you already use every day. You can make incredible images in Docs, create stunning slides in Slides, and even make video clips in Vids, all with just a simple prompt. And the quality is insane. So, what is IMAGEN for? It's Google's AI image model. The photorealism is incredible. The detail is crazy good. You can see textures in fabrics, water droplets, fur, all the tiny details that used to look fake. And here's the big one. The text rendering is actually good now. So you can put words in your images and they actually look right. That was impossible before. The model supports tons of aspect ratios. You can make images up to 2K resolution. That's good enough for presentations, posters, videos, whatever you need. And the best part is it's built right into Google Workspace. You don't need to go to some external website. You don't need a separate subscription. Now, here's what makes this different from every other AI image tool. It's integrated. When you're writing a document in Google Docs and you need an image, you just click Insert and Generate Image. When you're making a presentation in Slides and you need a graphic, same thing. When you're creating a video in Vids, you can generate images and video clips right there. No switching between apps, no downloading files, no uploading to different platforms. Everything happens where you're already working. Let me show you what this actually looks like. In Google Docs, you go to Insert, and there's an option to generate an image. In Slides, same thing. You can use Help Me Visualize or Create Image, depending on where you are in the interface. In Vids, you can import generated images or use them to make video clips. The whole workflow is built around making this as easy as possible. You type what you want, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. Then boom, your image appears. Now let me walk you through some real examples. I'm going to show you 3 different prompts that show off what this thing can do. First one is for docs. Let's say you're writing a travel blog or making a report cover. Here's a prompt that works really well. A vintage style travel poster of a bustling night market in Marrakech under string lights, warm colors with stylized text at bottom, reading Midnight Magic Market in elegant serif font. That's specific enough to get great results. You're telling it the style, the scene, the mood, the colors, and even the text you want. Second example is for slides. Maybe you're making a presentation and you need an infographic. Here's a good prompt. Modern infographic slide, flat design illustration showing a timeline of space exploration, icons for rocket launch, 1969, moon landing, Mars rover 2025, minimalist style, pastel color palette, clean readable typography, wide aspect ratio. This is perfect for presentations because you're specifying the style, the layout, and the aspect ratio. And because IMAGEN 4 handles text so much better now, that typography actually comes out looking clean. Third example is for Vids. This one's for making a short video clip, a short cinematic video clip, aerial view, flying over a futuristic neon city at twilight, lights reflecting on water, volumetric fog, dramatic camera pan, synthwave style, 4K resolution. This is where things get really cool. You can make video content without filming anything. Just describe what you want and it creates it. That's huge for intros, promos, social media content, anything where you need quick visuals. The key with all these prompts is being specific. Don't just say, make me a city. Say what kind of city, what time of day, what style, what mood, what camera angle. The more detail you give, the better the result. And with IMAGEN 4, you can now add text elements and they actually work. That opens up so many possibilities. Posters, signs, quotes, titles, all of that stuff that used to look terrible now looks professional. So why does this matter? Think about who this helps. Marketers can make ad visuals without hiring a designer. Educators can create engaging presentation slides without buying stock images. Content creators can make thumbnails and graphics without learning Photoshop. Small businesses can make posters and flyers without a big budget. And anyone making videos can generate custom clips without filming or buying footage. The barrier to entry just dropped to zero. If you can type, you can make professional images. Here's what you need to know about best practices. First, use detailed descriptive prompts. Tell it the style, the mood, the aspect ratio, the colors. Second, take advantage of the text rendering. IMAGEN 4 is way better at putting words in images now. So if you need quotes, titles, posters, or signs, actually include that text in your prompt. Third, if you're using Vids, combine multiple generated images to make dynamic clips. You can use the ingredients to video feature if it's available. That's great for intros and promos. Fourth, always check your output. AI is really good, but it's not perfect. Sometimes you get weird artifacts or things that don't look quite right. Just regenerate if that happens. And here's something important: if you're using these images commercially, make sure you understand the licensing. Different workspace plans might have different rules, and always respect copyright. Just because you can generate an image doesn't mean you should use it for everything. Be smart about it. Let me tell you why this is such a game changer. Most people think they need expensive software to make good visuals. They think they need Photoshop, or they need to hire a designer, or they need to buy stock image subscriptions. But now you can do all of this inside the tools you already have: Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Vids, tools you're probably using every single day anyway. There's no learning curve, there's no extra cost. You just type what you want and it makes it. This changes how presentations get made. Instead of searching through stock images for an hour trying to find something that kind of fits, you just generate exactly what you need in 30 seconds. This changes how social media content gets created. Instead of hiring a graphic designer for every post, you make custom images on demand. This changes how explainer videos get produced. Instead of filming everything or buying footage, you generate custom clips that match your exact vision. The speed and efficiency here is insane, and it's only going to get better. This is the first version of IMAGEN 4 in Workspace. Google's going to keep improving it. The quality will get better, the speed will get faster, the features will expand. If you're not using this now, you're going to be way behind in 6 months. Everyone else will be making better content faster and cheaper, and you'll still be stuck doing things the old way. Here's what you should do right now: open Google Docs or Google Slides, find the generate image option, write a prompt for something you actually need. Maybe it's a header image for a document, maybe it's a slide for a presentation, maybe it's a graphic for social media. Just make something, see how it works, play around with different prompts, see what level of detail gives you the best results, and then start using this in your actual work. Stop paying for stock images, stop spending hours in design tools. Just use this. The people who win with AI are the ones who actually use it, not the ones who just watch videos about it.